Okay, we're back. All right, so what I did was I plugged in the motor pod back in, but I didn't plug it back in just yet because I want to make sure that I have the orientation on the motor correct. So this motor should be spinning counterclockwise. Motor number 2 should be spinning counterclockwise. Okay, let's see if I have this correct. All right, so let's take a look. We're going to go ahead and spin up the motor. Number 2. All right, it's spinning clockwise. So number 2 should be spinning the other direction. Should be spinning this way. Should be spinning counterclockwise. So I'm going to show you what to do to fix that. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me go ahead and disassemble this, shut it off, and then we're going to go back to it again, and then I'll show you.